In this video, I'll show you how to set up a screen lock on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26, or any latest Samsung device. By default, your new phone might not have a secure lock enabled, so it's important to set one up to protect your personal data. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Tap on Lock Screen. Here you'll see different options: PIN, Password, High Security, Pattern, Swipe, No Security, None. You can also set up biometric options like Face Recognition or Face Unlock, Fingerprints. Let's choose any screen lock type. We choose a pattern lock. Draw your unlock pattern on the screen. Tap Continue, then draw it again to confirm. Tap Confirm. Now set lock screen notifications. Next, you'll be asked how you want notifications to appear on the lock screen. You can choose Lock Screen Notifications Style. Cards, show full notifications. Icons, show app icons only. Dot, show dots only. Pick what works best for your privacy. Tap on Done. That's it. Your screen lock is now set up. Now when you lock your phone, you'll need to unlock it using pattern, PIN, or password, fingerprint, or face unlock if enabled. Setting up a screen lock is one of the easiest ways to keep your data safe and secure.